The number of depression cases continue to rise among men post-lockdown. According to the reports published by the Indian Psychiatric Society, the depression cases has rose to 20%. Unemployment, loneliness, isolation, marital status, being stuck in their homes contributed to it. At the same time, many people also lost their jobs and were not able to meet their family and friends, which in turn contributed to the depressed state. Thus, we see that the numbers of depressed patients are rising at an alarming rate, which is a cause of concern.
भोपाल है। लॉकडाउन वजह से मेरा काम चला गया। मेरा टेंशन में है, फिर भी मैं डिप्रेशन में हो गया। फिर डॉक्टर का पास चला गया था, डॉक्टर भी अच्छे से मेरे को ट्रीटमेंट दे दी। सब भी मैं अभी घर में अच्छा ही है। मेरा मम्मी पापा मेरा फ्रेंडशिप बहुत मेरे को हेल्प किया। फिर अभी मेरे को नया काम मिल गया, मैं अच्छा ही है। धन्यवाद।
मेरा बच्चा भी काम करता था बेंगलुरु में, वही ये लॉकडाउन वजह से बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ। प्रॉब्लम होने का क्या है क्या तो कोरोना है ना, कोरोना आने का वही लॉकडाउन वजह से वही पूरा मेंटली फिजिकली और डिप्रेस होता है। होम से काम करता है, इसीलिए हम लोग उसको मेंटली और फिजिकली सपोर्ट देना पड़ता है। वो घर में बैठ के वो डिप्रेशन होता है, हो गया, इसीलिए हम डॉक्टर के पास लेके गया। वो अभी बिल्कुल ठीक है। इसीलिए हम पेरेंट्स और गार्डियन उसको सबको ऐसा हो गया तो उसको सपोर्ट देना पड़ता है ना, उतना है।
Thus, we see that the people ranging from the age group of 18 to 24 years are more prone to anxiety or depression because of this pandemic.
It can be very variable, but generally speaking, depression can be seen anything between 10 and 15% of the general population. And people, especially men, don't want to talk about it because there is a stigma attached to mental illness. But not all mental health problems are mental illness. There are emotional problems, there are psychological problems, and unattended emotional and unattended psychological problems becomes illness. Young children, young boys, there is increasing demands, both for boys and girls, but there is a lot of increasing demands on education, on trying to be better than the other person, demands from within themselves to do better, demands for not failing, demands for always succeeding, demands from parents on to children causes depression and behavioral problems in young boys. So different age groups will have different causes for depression. So treatment for all people is quite simple. We need to make significant changes in our lifestyle. We need to firstly prioritize our sleep, make sure that we sleep a good 8 hours. We need to get up in the morning, ideally at an early hour, 6 to 7 o'clock in the morning, exercise for at least 45 minutes every day, 5 to 6 days a week. We need to be active through the day. We need to make sure that we are as physically active as possible. We need to cut down the social media. We need to reduce the screen time. We need to do a good structured work. We need to get a balance between work and life. In the evenings, we need to come and learn to do relaxation. We need to read. We need to listen to music. We need to have a good social network so that our problems don't remain ours. I think men are slightly gradually changing, realizing the importance of emotional awareness, then also seeking help. Maybe that's why we are seeing increasing number of men coming forward.
Thus, we see that depression is not something which cannot be curable. One needs to open up and share everything with his or her parents and close friends.
Since the past 1 year, I am trying and working hard to get a government job. Despite putting in sincere efforts, I am not able to crack it. This has affected me very badly. This has put me under stress, or I can say I was in the state of depression. I was clueless about my futures, and there was lockdowns due to which I couldn't step out of my homes or meet my friends. So this has affected me very badly. I was under too much stress, I couldn't able to concentrate on my study or follow a daily routines, or I can say lockdown has created an atmosphere of fear and anxieties. And seeing this, my parents was very much worried, was to see that their child is not is under too much stress. And I was isolated at home. I stopped talking to my friends, and expectation of my family and overthinking has made me mentally weak. Seeing this, my parents was very much worried, and they took me to a psychiatrist. I had to undergo medications, and there were many interpersonal therapy, which in turn helped me to recover.
हम लोग का लड़का को देख के बहुत खराब लगता था, उसका डिप्रेशन में चला जाना, नौकरी नहीं मिलना, वो सब के लिए हम लोग बहुत चिंता में रहने लगा था। फिर उसको साइकियाट्रिस्ट दिखाया, अभी ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा पहले तो बोलता भी नहीं था किसी से बात, अभी थोड़ा बोल भी रहा है। इसी से हम लोग को भी गार्जियन का भी थोड़ा मन ठीक लगा।
As we see that due to lack of jobs and financial security, it is creating more havoc among the mindset of the people, including the young and the old, which is creating more cases of depression.
Depression is a psychological condition where the patient feels very low. Now, at this present scenario where there is lockdown everywhere and there is risk of COVID and black fungus, the people, they are naturally very much afraid and they feel low and depressed. Secondly, because of the lockdown, the financial part is also suffering because there is hardly any income. Many people have lost their jobs. So these all factors are responsible for the depression in a patient, in a person. So depression, usually there are treatment for depression which is basically counseling of the patient. So medicines usually are there but do not play much role in depression. One is to have the self-confidence to get rid of depression and come out successfully.
The treatment of depression is none other than the medication. At the same time, physiotherapy also plays a huge role in combating depression and also helps the person who have been suffering from a depression to understand themselves better and to deal with their problems in a far better and an efficient manner. So, physiotherapy is another mode of treatment which helps a lot in dealing with depression. We also need to have at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Also, we need to inculcate the habit of exercising in a day-to-day routine. There are some things we need to keep in mind to overcome or not to come under depression, and these are as follows. At the same time, it is also essential to inculcate a healthy lifestyle which includes exercising, meditation and yoga. Also, the mental and emotional support of parents is utmost necessary to cure their child in this condition.